Good morning all. Today we are going to see about the code of ethics, that is the professional code of ethics. In our profession, some of the ethics are there we should be follow in our duty. That's the main ethics. What are there? We can see. Coming to the definition of code of ethics. Code of ethics is a formal statement of group of ideals and values. It's a code of formal statement we are following, that is it's a common statement for all, that the all people have to give and give a deal or ideals, group ideals and values. Then purposes, standards for the behaviors of nurse and provide general guidelines for nursing action, helps to distinguish between right and wrong, enables a correct decision, protect the rights of individual. You should always follow these all things while you are doing your work. Then uses, acknowledges the rightful place of individuals in healthcare delivery system, contribute towards the empowerment of individuals to become responsible for their health and well-being, contributes to quality care, identify obligations in practice, research and relationships, informs the individuals, families, community and other professional and expectations of a nurse. Then ethical principles, respect and autonomy, beneficence, justice, veracity, fidelity. Ethical dilemma occurs when there is a conflict between two or more ethical principles, no correct decision exists, ethical reasoning. The ethical dilemma means that is that we are facing some difficulties. That is when there is a conflict between two or more ethical principles, and there will be some conflicts arising, no correct decisions exist. If the thing is correct and also we are not coming to the end of a correct decision, it is then ethical reasoning. Then International Code of Ethics, Nursing Ethics, the ICN Code of Ethics for Nurses. An International Code of Ethics of Nurses was first adopted by the International Council of Nurses in 1953. It has been revised and reaffirmed at various times since, most recently with this review and revision completed in 2005. Preamble. Nurses have four fundamental responsibilities: to promote the health, to prevent illness, to restore health and to alleviate suffering. The need of nursing is universal. Inherent of nursing is respect for human rights, including cultural rights and the right to life and choice, to dignity, to be treated with respect. Nursing care is respectful of one, unrestricted by considerations of age, color, creed, culture, disability or illness, gender, sexual orientation, nationality, politics, race or social status. Nurses render health services to the individual, the family and the group and the community, and coordinate their services with those of related groups. The ICN Code of Ethics purposes are four principal elements that outline the standards of ethical conduct. Elements of the code: nurses and people. The nurse's primary professional responsibility is to people requiring nursing care. In providing care, the nurse promotes an environment in which the human rights, values, customs and spiritual beliefs of the individual, family and community are respected. The nurse ensures that the individual receives sufficient information on which the base consent for care and related treatment. Nurse holds confidence, personal information, uses judgment in sharing their information. Thus, nurse shares with the society the responsibility for initiating and supporting action to meet the health and social needs of the public, in particular those of vulnerable populations. The nurse also shares responsibility to sustain and protect the natural environment from depletion, pollution, degradation and destruction. Nurses and practice. The nurse carries personal responsibility and accountability for nursing practice and for maintaining competence by continual learning, The nurse maintains a standard of personal health such that the availability to provide care is not compromised. The nurse uses judgment regarding individual competence when accepting and delegating responsibility. The nurse at all times maintains the standards of personal conduct which reflect well on the profession and enhance the public confidence. Nurse in providing care ensure that use of technology and scientific advances are compatible with the safety, dignity and rights of people. Nurses and the profession. The nurse assumes that major role in determining the implementing acceptable standards of clinical nursing practice, management, research and education. The nurse is an active in developing a core of research-based professional knowledge. The nurse acting through the professional organization participates in creating and maintaining safe, equitable social and economic working conditions in nursing. Nurses and co-workers. The nurse sustains a cooperative relationship with the co-workers in nursing and other fields. The nurse takes appropriate action to safeguard individuals, families and communities when their health is endangered by co-worker or any other person. The nurses and society participate and share responsibilities with other citizens and other health professionals, recognize and perform the duties of citizenship, aware of laws and regulations which affect the practice of medicine and nursing. Then INC Code of Ethics in Nurses in India. The nurse respects the uniqueness of individual in provision of care, provides care for individuals without consideration of caste, creed, religion, culture, ethnicity, gender, socioeconomic and political status, personal attributes or any other grounds. INC Code of Ethics Nurses in India. The first one, the nurse respects the uniqueness of individual in provision of care. Then individualizes the care, considering the beliefs, values and cultural sensitivities. Then the appreciates the place of individual, the family and community, facilitates participation of significant others in the care. Then the nurse respect the uniqueness of individual provision of care that develops, promote trustful relationship with individual, recognize uniqueness of response of individual interventions and adapts accordingly. Then appreciates the place of the individual in family and community and facilitates participation of significant others in the care. Then second one, the nurse respects the rights of individual as partner in care and helps in making informed choices. Appreciate individuals' right to make decisions about their care and therefore gives adequate and accurate information for enabling them to make informed choices. Then respect the decisions made by individual regarding their care, protects public from information and misinterpretations, advocates special provisions to protect vulnerable individuals or groups. And the third one, the nurse respects individuals' right privacy, maintains confidentiality, shares information judiciously, respect the individual's right to privacy of their personal information, maintains confidentiality in privileged information except in life-threatening situations and uses discretion in sharing information. Then nurse maintains competence and in order of render quality nursing care. Nursing care must be provided only by a registered nurse. Nurse tries in maintain quality nursing care and upholds the standards of care. Nurse values continuing education, initiates and utilizes all opportunities for self-development. Nurse values research as a means of development of nursing profession and participates in nursing research adhering to ethical principles. Fifth one, the nurse is obliged to practice within the framework of ethical, professional and legal boundaries, adheres to Code of Ethics and Code of Professional Conduct of Nurses in India developed by Indian Nursing Council, familiarizes with the relevant laws and practices in accordance with the law of the state. Nurse is obliged to work harmoniously with the member or health team, appreciate the team efforts in rendering care, cooperates, coordinates, and collaborates with the members of health team to meet the needs of the people. Seventh one, the nurse commits reciprocate trust invested in nursing profession by society. Demonstrate personal etiquettes in all dealings. Demonstrate professional attributes in all dealings. The further code of ethics and their aims, that all things we can be deal in next class. Okay, thank you all.